On this episode of Western Roundup, we look at the healthcare transformation sweeping through St. James. Then we head to Trelawney, where residents of Cooper's Pen are reaping the benefits of a major beautification project. After which we hop over to Hanover, where students and staff at Mount Ward Primary are celebrating the donation of a much-needed water tank. Stick around, you don't want to miss it. Residents in St. James and the wider Western Jamaica are set to benefit from an additional 650 hospital beds once the Cornwall Regional and Western Children and Adolescent Hospitals are completed. And according to the clinical coordinator of the Western Regional Health Authority, patients will also benefit from additional amenities.
I have a plan to set it up with what we call a high dependency unit for medical patients, people like with heart attack.
The Cornwall Regional Hospital redevelopment project is ongoing, with plans to complete Phase 2 in the upcoming 2024-2025 fiscal year. Meanwhile, $800 million has been set aside in the upcoming budget to continue work on the Western Children and Adolescent Hospital. Over in Trelawney, residents of Cooper's Pen are now benefiting from a major beautification exercise carried out by the Western Parks and Market WPM Waste Management Limited. Dubbed For the Love of the Environment Cleanup and Beautification Initiative, the engagement enhanced the community's appeal to visitors as well as improved the environment.
We are demonstrating to residents how important it is to reuse some of what is being disposed of on the landfill. Now, some of such things are like old handbags, old shoes, etc. We are using some of those to plant flowers and to beautify the area. We are showing residents that through partnership we can create a very friendly environment as it relates to beautifying the area, so that when tourists come to this area, they can see that we as Jamaicans, we are trying our best to ensure that we have a clean and beautiful environment.
And the effort was appreciated by the residents.
Nice for you to have this going on in this community. So at the same time, we all have to appreciate that you people come around and do what you have to do, get you, and it's love.
The Mount Ward Primary School in Hanover is the latest school to receive a 1,000-gallon water storage tank courtesy of Courts Ready Cash. The entity has been donating storage tanks across the island to assist the schools in their water resilience efforts. Tanks have been distributed to schools across Clarendon, St. Thomas, Portland, St. Mary, and St. Catherine.
This endeavor is not merely a response to a crisis, it is a proactive step forward towards mitigating ongoing drought conditions and ensuring a sustainable future for our communities, ensuring that school will never again be disrupted due to a lack of vital water supply.
We are over the moon excited and delighted that we found our way in someone's heart to be considered for this token. This gift will undoubtedly mitigate the water woes with which the school is plagued with. Indeed, all the stakeholders will definitely be beneficiaries of your generosity.
That's all for the program today. As usual, thank you for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm. Until next time, take care.